Just wanted to create a video real quick showing you how to do the horizontal bar graph. Haven't quite figured out how to do the percentages within the bars, but I'll show you how we can get the labels in there at least, and that'll get us most of the way, and then we can insert the percentages unless we can figure out a new way to do it. So you've shaded your neighborhoods by percent poverty or whatever you're looking at. You simply go to View, Graphs, create a graph, do a horizontal bar, make sure it's reading the right shapefile. Value field will be the variable you're looking at. The Y field be the same variable, ppov in this case, value to ascending. The Y label field we can set to the neighborhood. I'm going to uncheck add to legend. I'm going to show labels, and I'm going to set the bar size to 85. Go ahead and hit next. I don't want a title. I'm probably going to add that in publisher. That's your choice. Graph legend uncheck, and I'm going to uncheck the visible box for each of these tabs. Okay, go ahead and hit finish. And what pops up, you'd right click, select advanced settings. I usually start with walls and uncheck visible walls. That gets rid of the gray. Then I go to panel, select borders, select border again, uncheck visible. Then I go to axis. I want the axis on the left side to be visible, so I'm going to select that. But then I need to tell the title to go away, so I unselect visible, labels, unselect visible, and then I go to horizontal bar. Here the first thing I do is select shadow and do the vertical to -2. That puts a little bit of shadow in each bar. Then I go to marks, and here I want to, instead of legend, I want to do just the label. That gives me just the names. And then on format, I can select transparent. On text, I can select bold, and I think Arial and 8 is just fine. There's a yellow line in there you might be able to see. You want to select arrows, border, unselect visible. And then margins, we can, instead of 20, set that to -35, and that puts them a little closer to the bar. And that's about everything we need to do. So then you'd hit close. Now if you're just doing something quick and dirty, you could right and click and copy as graphic, but if you actually want to put this in your more finished product, then you would right click, and you can export, or you can try saving. If you save, it's just a graph file, so I guess I would right click and hit export and save it as a JPEG, for example. High quality, you can put the quality at 100% if you want, and go ahead and save it to wherever you want to save. Okay, and then you'll be able to insert that into your publisher file.